Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to access Tesla's interior camera recording. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, what we need to do is head on over to Google and then type in tesla.com owner's manual, and then hit enter. And then click onto owner's manual from tesla.com. Then from here, choose your car model here. So for this demonstration, I'm going to choose Model X here, and now choose the language. So I want to be doing English, United States, Canada. Then you'll see these drop down menus on the left hand side. Click on the one that says active safety features. Then from here we need to click onto cabin camera, and now from here you can have a read of all this information on this page to help you access your Tesla interior camera recordings. So I'll just do a quick rundown. So by default, images and videos from the camera do not leave the vehicle itself and are not transmitted to anyone, including Tesla, unless you enable data sharing. So if you enable data sharing and a safety critical event occurs, such as collision, Model X shares short cabin cameras video clips with Tesla to help us develop future safety enhancements and continuously improve the intelligence of features that rely on the cabin camera. And now to adjust your data sharing preference touch controls, we need to go to Control, Software, Data Sharing, Allow Cabin Camera Analytics, and you can change your data sharing settings at any time to view features currently enabled that use cabin cameras, touch controls, software, and then cabin cameras. So as it states here, Tesla does not provide direct access to interior camera footage, but what you can try is you can request data from Tesla. So what we can do is go to tesla.com/contact us, and you'll be taken to this page, and simply scan this QR code to access Tesla's Assist in the app and receive personalized support for orders, vehicles, energy products, and more. And just say, hey, I would like to get footage from my vehicle. Another way is how to view interior camera data is by checking for Sentry mode or crash event footage. So you can insert a USB drive into your Tesla, enable Sentry mode or dash cam in the Tesla menu. So if an event occurs like a crash, footage may be saved, and then check the USB drive by plugging it into a computer and looking inside the Tesla cam folder. And another way is using third-party hardware. So some Tesla owners install additional dash cams inside their car to capture interior footage. Third-party apps or hardware may provide better access than Tesla's built-in system.